You eating, Elijah?
Uh,
Good?
uh,
Eating noodles. His favorite, well, I would say breakfast, but it's not breakfast anymore. Say hi, Mommy.
Papi,
No, Mommy. Say Mommy.
Papi.
It's 9:19. Who? I don't know, Mom. Say hi, Daddy and Mommy.
Hi, Papi.
Oh, Lord, this kid said say Mommy. Can I have some?
Uh,
Can I have some?
oh.
Why? I can't have some? That's good. Thank you.
Papi.